Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to download Twitter videos to your gallery. It works for both iPhone and Android. So yeah, let's start the video. So first you need to open your Twitter, and from here you choose a video you want to download. For example, I'm choosing this video. It's a random video. So after choosing this video, tap the screen once. Then as you can see, this share icon, tap here, and from this you need to copy the link. So let me copy the link, and as you can see the link is copied. Now you need to close the Twitter application. Now you need to go to any browser, and I'm going to Safari and search this Twitter video download. So this is the website I am using for the video to download. Tap here once, and as you can see we need to insert link. From here you just need to paste the link we just copied, and after pasting the link, tap the download button. So as you can see, it says HD and the normal. I just tap the desired resolution, so I'm going to download HD. As you can see, it says do you want to download, and you need to just tap the download button. So as you can see, it's downloading on this corner, and after finishing the download you will find a video on your gallery or your photos application. So yeah, that's how you download Twitter video to your